Welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can change backlight of your keyboard in Victus Laptop. So open your Omen HP Gaming Hub or just search like this, open HP Gaming Hub, and you should find the application. But for me, it is on the desktop, so I'll click it right here, Omen Gaming Hub. Wait for it to load, and right here you'll be able to see your Victus laptop. Click on that one, and here go to the performance controls. Sorry for the go to the lightning, and here you will be able to select the colors of your keyboard, and after you click apply, you will see the purple light on your keyboard. Here you can use advanced mode for the hue or intensity and etc. So that's pretty much it. That's how you change lights and backlight on your Victus laptop gaming PC. Laptop, sorry. See ya.